Nakaano pa?
Like this, it's so brand new.
Hello mga kalakbay! Welcome back to our channel. For today's vlog, samahan nyo kami sa isang namang exciting camping adventure. This time, bumiyahe kami by car from Quebec City to Saguenay. And grabe, sobrang worth it ng road trip na ito. Maaga kaming umalis para masulit ang araw. Habang nasa biyahe, super relaxing ang drive. Ang ganda ng views, puro mountains, forest, rivers, at mga cute na small towns. Siyempre, sa road trip, hindi mawawalang stopover. So, kailangan naming huminto para kumain at magpahinga. Every minute of the drive was enjoyable. Kaya hindi namin namalayan na malapit na pala kami sa destination. Pagdating namin sa place, dumiretso muna kami sa reception para i-confirm yung aming booking reservation. And after that, we headed towards our camping site.
Anong number? Number 1, di ba?
One yun na yung 22 malapit na. Mag 22 ba, tingnan mo. Pagdating namin sa campsite, syempre, nag-set up kami sa labas para ayusin ang aming camping spot. And nothing beats the feeling of being surrounded by nature. Fresh air, peaceful environment, at sobrang nakaka-relax. After setting up, nag-explore kami sa paligid, took lots of photos and videos, and syempre, in-enjoy namin ang beautiful scenery ng Saguenay. Ang ganda talaga ng place. Kaya super sulit ang mahabang biyahe. Pabalik na kami ni Ted!
Salut, salut!
Salut tout le monde! On va retourner avoir la photo. Babette, est-ce que tu aimes faire du camping?
Ouais. J'aime beaucoup.
One of the best parts of our camping trip, aside from a good company of friends, syempre ang food. Food is life tayo eh. Mas lalong naging special ang meal dahil may lechon. Kahit na nasa campsite lang kami, parang mini celebration dahil sa solid na handaan. Totoo nga na mas masarap ang pagkain kapag kasama mo ang family and friend. Good food, great company, and beautiful nature. What more can we ask for? This is definitely one camping trip that we'll never forget. As the day ended, nag-dinner kami sa campsite, nagkwentuhan, nag-relax habang pinapanood ang sunset. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung inuman at kantahan.
Like this, it's so brand new. I'm feeling my kid. I'm crazy for you.
Pagdating ng gabi, ang sarap lang huminto sandali at enjoy ang simple moments with nature. Overall, this camping trip was such an amazing experience. Nakapag-unwind kami, nakagawa ng new memories, at lalong naming na-appreciate ang beauty ng Quebec. The next day, maaga kaming nagising para ligpitin ang mga gamit. Grabe, ang sarap talaga gumising sa umaga na hindi ka nagmamadali. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang morning coffee. Yung tahimik lang ang paligid, fresh ang hangin, may mainit na kape sa kamay, at kwentuhan lang with everyone. Coffee and small talks really hit different kapag nasa camping. After namin mag-coffee, we did some walking and tried to figure out the way to the fishing area. Nakaready na kasi ang isa dyan para mamingwit. Pero, medyo malayo pa pala, so we headed back to our campsite at hinintay magising yung iba namin mga kasama.
Siri, shut up.
Nag-ano ba?
Bago kami umuwi ng Quebec City, dumaan muna kami sa isang farm. No travel adventure is ever complete without treating ourselves to some delicious ice cream. Because every great road trip deserves a sweet ending. Ice cream is life. Huwag ako, hindi pwede. Dapat ako lang ang fashion preferences. After that, it's time to hit the road and head back to Quebec City. At syempre, time na rin para magpaalam sa mga bago naming nakasama at naging kaibigan sa trip na ito. Thank you for all the loves, memories, and good vibes. Thank you so much for watching. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa aming adventure, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support means a lot, mga kalakbay. See you!